Welcome to At Home with Music. I'm Leon Olguin, and I'm continuing my series wherein I share quotes concerning music and music education. And my reason for doing this is to provide you with some words of encouragement and to just help spur you on as you continue to teach music and music appreciation to your children, to your students. So the quote I wanted to share today, I am not sure who wrote this, and in fact, when I found this quote, whoever put it up on Facebook, I believe is where I found it. They didn't know who wrote it, but I believe this is true. And it says, music is a science. Music is mathematical. Music is a foreign language. Music is history. Music is physical education. Music develops insight and demands research. Music is all of these things, but most of all, music is art. And this is why we teach music, not because we expect you to major in music, not because we expect you to play or sing all your life, but so you will be human, so you will recognize beauty, so you will be closer to an infinite beyond this world, so you will have something to cling to, so you will have more love, more compassion, more gentleness, more good. In short, more life. Now, I like what this has to say about what music is. Music is a science. A lot of musicians, musical historians have talked about how music is very mathematical. Now, I'm not going to go into great detail about that because that would make this a very long video. But nonetheless, there is a science behind music. And also, it's a foreign language. When you begin to learn how to read notes, in a sense, you're learning a whole new language. You're learning a language of sound and beauty. And then also, music is history. Part of what I do here on At Home with Music is to spur you on to appreciate music from different historical periods: medieval music, Renaissance music, classical music, romantic music, modern music. Music is history. Music is physical education. When you learn to play the keyboard, every part of your brain is working, and your fingers and the coordination that it requires, hand-eye coordination, big part of learning to play the piano or any instrument for that matter. Music develops insight and demands research. If you're going to learn to play a piece of music, it's very helpful to learn the history behind that particular piece. Or if you're going to learn a song, learn the history behind the song. Learn about the person who wrote the song or the person who wrote the lyrics. And music is all of these things, but most of all, music is art. The world needs art. The world needs artists. And that's why we teach music. The quote goes on to say, not because we expect you to major in music, and not because we expect you to play or sing all your life. I believe that it's important for everyone to study music, not with an aim toward making you a professional musician, but just to enable you to more deeply appreciate what music is all about. As the quote says here, you'll recognize beauty. You'll have something to cling to. You'll have more love, more compassion, more gentleness, more good, and in short, more life. So I hope that hearing quotes like this will encourage you to include music education and music appreciation in your homeschool curriculum. That's the reason that At Home with Music exists, in order to help you to teach music more effectively and to inspire that appreciation for all types of music in your children. Thanks again for watching. I ask you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share this with other homeschool families, or anybody that you know that would love to learn more about music and music appreciation. I will talk to you in the next one.